Welcome back, everyone. In this episode, we're going to be taking a look at prototyping. So to get started, you can see that I have two pages from here. So we're going to start by navigation. So we're going to add navigation from this button to this one. So this is our About Us section. Underneath that, we have a button called Read More. So this button should direct us to this About Us page. So we're going to simply move to the Prototype tab over here, and then we're going to select this button. So once we have the button selected, so if I move in, you can see that I have the button selected. Next to that, we have this plus icon. So we can simply left click and drag, and then we can simply add that uh, flow to this About Us page. And then this is should be on click and navigate to About Us. And the animation, let's change it to Smart Animate. And that should about do it. So we're not just going to go into the presentation mode from over here. So let's move to the presentation mode. And now if we simply left click on this should take us to the About Us page. And as you can see, so now we have moved into our About Us page. So now using prototyping, we can have much more cool effects. And if I simply demonstrate, we have another one over here. So we have already demonstrated this. So you can see that these images are interactive. I can bring them up and they can close down just like an actual app. And then if we go back to our actual design, then we also have a very complicated design over here that we have covered in our paid course. So if you guys are interested to learn more, you can take a quick look at that as well.